Good.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Gracie Nading. Today we'll be understanding autism together, and this is my audience. Okay. Today I would like to talk to you about autism, what it is, where it comes from, how it affects people, and what the future looks like with people living in it. Today we'll be talking about the history, the present prognoses, and the future outlook. The history of autism. Early discoveries. From Silberman in 1943, Dr. Leo Kanner identifies autism as a distinct disorder describing children with social, communicative, and behavioral challenges. Silberman also found that in 1944, Dr. Hans Asperger documents a related condition later known as Asperger syndrome. Cause and theories. Earlier theories blamed cold mothers for causing autism, but that was later debunked. Modern research focuses on genetic factors and environmental influences. How autism affects the human body. Brain function. Autism affects brain's ability to process social and emotional cues, leading to the difficulties in communication and behavioral regulations. Autism Speaks, which is a funding donation center, found that sensory processing, many people with autism have sensory sensitivities, being either oversensitive or undersensitive to stimuli of lights and sound. The Autism Society, which is also a donation center, found behavioral characteristics, challenges with social interactions and communications, repetitive behaviors such as hand clapping, rocking back and forth. Intellectual abilities vary, some with individuals showing exceptional skills. Treatment and future outlook. Current treatments from the CDC and Prevention Center, early intervention, applied behavioral analysis, speech and occupational therapies are all really good ways to help cope with autism. Medications are also a big treatment that is being looked into. They help manage the symptoms, but they do not cure them. Special education, such as learning support and special classrooms for children with autism. And then for the future outlook, ongoing research into gene editing technologies like CRISPR was found by the National Institute of Mental Health, which is part of genetic therapy. Harvard Health and Publishing, neurostimulation techniques like transcranial magnetic stimulation, or known as TMS, shows promise in improving social behavior and cognitive function. And then Organization for Autism Research, virtual reality and robotics is emerging therapies are using technologies to teach social and communication skills. My conclusion and hope for the future from Autism Speaks. Cure versus treatment. No cure exists, but treatments continue to improve the quality of life for individuals with autism. Autism Speaks. Research advancements, studies into neuroplasty, genetic therapy, and neurostimulation hold promise for better outcomes. Community and inclusion. Growing awareness and support for autism helps foster acceptable and creative inclusive society for those with autism. So how can you help? Support Autism Speaks. Autism Speaks is a leading nonprofit that funds research, supports families, and promotes public understanding. Where can you donate? www.autismspeaks.org/donate. What does your donation help? It helps support early interventions, it helps support breakthrough research, and provides education and advocacy tools. My call to action. Autism is not a disease to be cured. It is a difference to be understood, respected, and supported. Let's move beyond awareness and into the acceptance and action. Donate, speak up, educate yourself and others. Together we can make a difference in the lives of a million individuals and families that are living with autism. And if you have any questions, you can access my works cited page.